What got me about this was look at everything that he's done and then the pros list.
I'm seeing a lot of recent work that has absolutely nothing to do with the engine. Cons, the parts need to be installed. The motor needs to be replaced.
Jackass. Is it time to look at some 240s?
Let's look at some garbage. Let's do Discord picks.
That's why I said 240s.
Oh. First up, we have $200 listed 8 weeks ago in Dansville, New York. Have a pre-ran Geoprism / Corolla. Runs awesome, needs transmission, and driver's side CV shaft need gone ASAP.
It runs?
It runs.
It's a demolition derby car. There's a big pipe in the back, I think. I think that's how these work.
It's like probably not even worth that in scrap. Like,
Dude,
Yeah.
that's
Previously ran.
yeah. Like
Right.
that wouldn't even roll. It's like it's returning to the earth already. Look at that.
Yeah, no,
Right,
it's,
like what
it's,
do you
it's
what do you
done.
do with that?
04 GMC Yukon for sale. GMC Yukon. Read description
With a
first.
flat tire.
Wheels not included, so don't even worry about that flat tire.
yeah.
Hitting the front driver's side, bent frame rail behind front wheel, rough condition cosmetically, engine and transmission okay. See photos for details. Salvage title, $1,900, no trades.
What's cool with that Westphalia over there, dude?
He probably wants a lot of money for that thing.
Yeah.
More than the Yukon.
More than you can afford, pal.
More than you can afford.
Ah,
Speaking of peace, pull up the
Nice.
Civic I linked. I didn't know they had cars on OfferUp.
yeah, OfferUp's like, if it's worse than a Facebook Marketplace car, they go to OfferUp.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like, these are stolen cars.
This is the Bigfoot Civic.
A Blair Witch Project Civic.
Honda Civic 2001, four-door sedan, 1.7 engine, has been sitting for a few years, but nothing has been parted out. Everything is there. This is a piece of
Real shit. These pictures are taken like on the run.
Yeah. This is like in the side yard of an abandoned building.
They felt a spider crawling up their leg on that one interior pic. It's like, this, dude.
Dude, that's Arizona. That was a scorpion.
Look at this element that I just put in the chat.
It's
Yo.
Olaf's Honda Element. Thinking about selling my rig. 05 Honda Element 2-seater camper, front driver and rear driver side
My rig.
conversion.
Nice.
Damn.
300,000
Rig.
miles. This is why I have not found an
Oh
element.
my God.
300.
Wait. No, go check out that guy's Instagram. We
I was
have
gonna
to.
say, please check out that guy's Insta.
The Wood Jedi.
Have you guys ever seen Reddit? It just looks like that.
Yeah, this is like Reddit the car. Trying to talk some shit.
Discord.gg/feed.
Let's talk some shit.
This is Ted Nugent's Suburban.
86 Chevy
Jesus
Suburban,
Christ.
one of a kind, Ducks Unlimited, 86
Ducks
Chevy Suburban
Unlimited.
4x4. They only made 100 of these. Chance to own a historic K-body 4x4. Call Carrie at Hidden Information. Office is located at who cares?
Damn, look at that winch in the front of it.
Wait, this
Goddamn.
that's the factory paint job?
Ducks Unlimited
That's
painted
sick.
it like that?
Dude, I
looks
don't
like
think so.
It's in the picture.
I think that's been
It's in the
rattle
picture.
canned
That-
again.
No,
No,
that's
man.
factory rattle can.
Wow, this thing has a wooden sun
Sheesh.
visor.
What sun visor?
Yeah.
Luxury.
That's insane.
And you can take it off and blow in it, and it's a duck call.
That would actually be really cool if it was, but
The late 80s duck camo that they got in there too. Like that shit's rare now.
Yeah,
pattern?
that's sick ass camo.
It's
Yeah.
red.
Yeah.
do you see the little
dogs.
duck? The duck in the camo pattern?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and look at the TV.
Ooh,
Sick.
that is the biggest screen they made in 1986.
Oh, it's a StarCraft thing.
StarCraft conversion, yeah.
Oh, it's Korean.
Parade
Only
lock.
the Koreans are good at it, is how that works, yeah.
CB radio, passport radar detector, front winch. Oh, and it came with a John boat,
2 gun rack storage compartments.
and it comes with a partner Marlboro Reds.
I can smell it now.
Unfiltered.
Smells great.
Legit,
Yeah,
that thing
honestly,
is
it
sick as
smells like my childhood.
94 Honda Del Sol VTEC Coupe, which looks great from this angle.
It's going
It's
to
the
get
only
worse, I
angle
bet.
that looks fake.
Oh, no.
Damn.
Perfect
Looks
for
like
a
a
daily.
shoe.
Definitely a gas saver too. Only con is the car will be needing a wheel alignment. That's the only
That's the
con.
only con I can see.
That's the only con.
Comes with Rev
That's
9
nothing
coilovers,
else.
new wheels and tires. Off eBay. What the
That's
Ooh.
actually that's
Only-
not a con.
Only
okay?
con.
Oh, no, this is a con?
None of that is a con.
The
None.
fucking cord?
What is it attached to?
The door release.
Yeah, but where is it going?
Where does that go?
Why is it so long?
Is that so the other guy can? Oh, maybe it's to open it. The outside probably doesn't work, and he probably has that hanging out the car, so you pull it through the door to open
Jesus, I'll
Yeah,
bet
you,
you're right.
you reach in on the passenger side, pull to open your door, then walk around. Not a con, though.
That's some poverty right there.
What a piece of
That's anti-theft feature right there.
I know Olaf's looking for one of these, but let's just keep looking. This is
This one ain't
god-awful.
This
it.
one, no.
This reminds me though. You know what? I went back on YouTube to check out an old memory, and I looked at Mike Devine's piece of fucking Del Sol.
The Ruined Soul.
Yeah.
The
Like the
Soul.
music video he fucking made for it.
Let's pull that up.
It's so fucking cringe.
2001 Dodge Grand Caravan, gray interior, 4 seats, $4,000 7 weeks ago. Hardy, Arkansas, 234,000 miles. Grand Caravan with dual axles in a box with door opens in the back. Dual axles in a box with door opens in the back. Whatever. Cold AC, heater works, needs alternator replaced, and a battery and a shift control module needs to be replaced. I've had over 100 people inquire about this ride. Serious inquiries only, please.
100 people want this.
Wow.
No one wants this.
100 people have inquired on it.
They've asked, is it available so that they can show it to their friends later in the group chat?
This is never going anywhere.
Besides hell.
A local junkyard.
You make a food truck out of this? Taco truck?
Yeah, something spicy.
Yeah, something caliente.
Yeah.
Muy caliente.
The dually caravan food truck.
What do you think he was doing with this? Do you think this was ever used for its purpose?
Hauling
Moving shit. Oh god, that door looks like a bitch to fucking open. The hinges
Well,
are on
like, it
top.
looks like a trailer.
Oh,
Like, it looks
damn.
like he just put the back of a trailer on this motherfucker.
Those doors are what's with this?
How do you
What did he
even
do with
Did
it?
you just flip it up backwards on the roof?
It's gotta be on like a shock or a spring or something.
No, you gotta get a second person to hold the
He
door.
couldn't open it, so there's no pictures of it open here. It's too
Yeah.
heavy. This is fucking retarded, man. I don't know what to say about it other than that. Let's see what else he's selling.
More garbage.
More shit.
Yep, that's about right.
What a nice yard. Dude, check out the depth. Yeah, I mean, nice dog, but look at the depth of shit, too. Like, there's an old-ass
Yeah.
Chevy back here, like, way
That's a
back
truck,
there.
yeah.
The garbage goes on for miles.
Devote says, no way that drives straight. Yeah, 100% that thing drives.
On God.
Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money.
1991 Toyota MR2, $12,000 listed 1 week ago in Dayton, Ohio, 290,000 miles. 91 MR2 with a Gen 4 3S GTE engine paired with an E153 LSD transmission. Nice setup. Car runs
Yeah.
and drives great, just has pull when accelerating.
That torque steer? Is that what he's saying?
I don't know what he's saying there, but I mean, torque steer would not make sense for a rear-wheel drive car.
No, it really wouldn't.
But I don't know. Lots of new parts, new front and rear tubular suspension, Megan Racing fully adjustable coilovers, new steering rack, all new ball joints, new carrier bearing for rear axle. I'm sure I'm forgetting some stuff. Price to sell. Any questions, feel free to message me. Clean title, no rust. $300K swapped in a MR2.
Yeah, you're out of your mind.
$12,000. And it has issues. There's something up with it.
It pulls when accelerating.
The does that mean? So it works? What do you
Right, like pulls hard? Like,
Yeah.
is that what
Car
you're saying?
drives.
Look at those cobwebs.
Oof.
So I don't know shit about what's an LSD transmission.
Limited slip. It has a
know
limited
what
slip
It's,
transaxle.
it's the drug transmission.
Like
The MK Ultra
the
one.
LSD function is in the transmission.
Well, it's
Yeah,
it's
like
not a
Lucy-
transmission. It's a
Lucy in the
transaxle.
sky
not
with
a-
diamonds.
Yeah, it's drugs.
There's no engine there. There's your problem.
We got no engines.
Yeah, I wouldn't with that. I wouldn't that with your.
Nah.
Was that mechanic's name in the first Fast and the Furious where like Johnny Tran like shoves his head into the
Oh,
into the,
fucking,
we ain't got no engine.
What was his name?
Jim.
Let me ask you a question, Ted.
Ted? Tom?
Ted sound. It is Ted. It is Ted. You're
It
right.
is Ted. Yeah, like Ted, where's the engines?
Yeah, it's definitely Ted. What are you thinking? 40 weight, 50 weight?
Yeah.
Here's an RX-8. 2000. I'm thinking 50 weight in the RX-8.
I'm thinking 50
2004
weight.
Mazda RX-8 Coupe, $3,000 10 hours ago, Daytona Beach, Florida, 115,000 miles. Recently done with 3,000 miles. Tires, coilovers, factory rebuilt
all right,
red
no,
calipers.
wait. All right, let me tell you. I read this one before I said it. What got me about this was look at everything that he's done and then the pros list. Okay, scroll down,
I
scroll
wonder
down.
where
Trying to-
this
he's
is
trying to-
going.
And then,
He's trying to
and
honeypot
then,
you.
and then scroll down all the way to the bottom.
I'm seeing a
Like,
lot
past the
of
cons.
I'm seeing a lot of pros and a lot of recent work that has absolutely
Yeet.
nothing to do with the engine.
With the one thing that matters.
Cons: the parts need to be installed, the motor needs
Hey.
to be replaced.
What a jackass.
Dude's just putting parts on this car when it doesn't even fucking run.
He bought a bunch of shit for it, didn't put it on because he blew his engine.
What kind of level of cope is like your engine's dead, but you're still buying shit for your car?
It's
Just keeping the dream alive.
this thing's been
Is it-
sitting.
Is it turboed?
No, that's just they have weird looking intakes, like they're really long. That's an NA
That is-
intake, I think.
That's- Long ass intake.
That's a phallic intake.
They look terrible.
The big intake.
Well, what a piece. What a perfect example of an RX-8.
That's exactly
Yep.
why I was like, we got to look at this one.
Shit's all together with blue duct tape, too.
Oh my god.
Nice
The
car.
rotary cope.
Rotary cope.
Rotary
That's
cope.
a lot of parts, dude.
That was Trig in the Discord.
Do you
Buy
think...
an engine with those parts.
I see what you're saying. Do you think that you could part it out, make some money? It's only $3,000 for this car.
Yeah, and that's like 1,500 in coilovers.
Yeah,
If you
and
know.
the parts are still in their box. He never
Yeah, if
installed
he
them.
hasn't installed them.
That's like
Easy sell.
$200 in diff fluid that hasn't even been used. Damn.
And like 1,000 in tires.
Man, he's taking a total L on this thing.
Yeah, he's fucking.
Taking a bath on this.
From the day he bought it.
Don't buy these.
He's gonna rip that banner off the wall.
He's got pride, man.
What a piece of shit. Here is a...
Hell yeah.
It's the fucking louvers, like the window louvers
Yeah, it's
on
like,
the hood.
It's like Camaro louvers, but for the hood.
They're like intake louvers.
2006 Dodge Magnum Sport Wagon, $850 3 days ago in San Antonio, Texas. It's just a leaf magnet to the hood. 170,000 miles. Does not have cat. Pickup in Elmendorf. Today, this is hands down the deal of the day. Pick up today,
Hands
$850. You can drive it off, but I'd tow it to be on the safe side. It hasn't ran for a good minute. V6 2.7 liters starts right up. The lights work and mechanically has been fine. No radio, needs some TLC as seen in pics. No registration, but is insured till the end of the month. Nice. Has just enough time. Has some cosmetic
Just
details inside
enough.
and out, but nothing really too costly. I got this car about a year ago and have the title, but it's still in the girl's name that I bought it from because she didn't have it running when I got it. Registration has been out for 5 or 6 months now, and I never got to do what I wanted to do to it. The only reason I'm selling is because I came across a hell of a deal on another Dodge, so I need the cash. He needs $850. It's great to make a project car or just drive it
To
daily.
get a Dakota.
Price does
What did
reflect
he-
the cosmetic issues and a few little things it needs. It also have 2 new tires that go with the car.
What did he want to do with this thing?
Run
Drive
it
it?
into another Dodge product in the middle of an intersection.
You
I
didn't
was
buy this from a
saying,
girl.
yes.
There's too many skulls on it.
There's-
Count the skulls. There's skulls everywhere, actually.
I haven't
There's
been
one.
looking at the Peugeot skulls. Yeah, there's some.
There's
but-
skulls.
Skull there.
Yeah,
Oh,
There's
there's
at
one
least
on the
2 more
front
Punisher
bumper.
skulls.
I'm looking.
There's a Black Widow on the front of it.
Is that what it was? Oh, yeah.
Black
Oh,
Widow.
there's a
still-
skull on the
that's a-
top.
Skull.
That's still bad to the bone. The
Yeah,
the
yeah.
louvers on the front. That's fucking killing me.
And the fucking
There's
the
a skull on the
steering
back.
wheel that they tried to make like a racing style
Oh, yeah.
with electrical tape.
Yeah. There's more skulls
that-
right there.
I thought it was a pit bull skull.
Yeah, what's going on with that eagle motif? Go back.
It's like a windshield
What's it
banner, but
doing?
it's just covering
Is
up
it-
part of the back for some reason.
What's the eagle doing? Is it
They're
like
fighting,
eating
dude.
something? Oh,
That's
sick.
the aerial
like
battle.
Civil War.
Yeah.
That's
Shit.
Okay,
like
Lee
the
Hess,
coolest
what's the
thing.
difference? What's the difference between jelly and jam, Lee Hess?
I don't jelly your mom. Or I don't jelly it into your mom.
Yeah.
I don't know. What is it?
He's
What's up?
behind a little bit, so you gotta wait.
You gotta,
Oh,
we gotta
it's
wait a
because
good 30 seconds.
It's because I don't jelly it in his mouth. I think that's what he's gonna say.
Oh, okay, we don't even need to read what he says though.
Yeah.
Just ban him now. Get it over with.
Damn! Here's a used
Yo.
12 volt. Oh man, it's a fucking Power Wheels. I thought this was real. 12 volt Power Wheels Cadillac Escalade, $100. Our
You
daughters are
shut up.
finally
It
too
is
big.
real.
This still rules.
You could drive this to the liquor store when you get a DUI.
It doesn't have. Is that a factory stereo in it? Is this how it came from the
Probably.
store?
That'd be bad as
Probably.
Damn! What an annoying toy.
Power
It's
Wheels
sick.
on some
We're not sure where the cover for the radio ended up. Oh, it has a head unit with a removable
damn.
faceplate.
Like I said, you could definitely drive this to the
Wait,
liquor
so you can
store.
put Android Auto in these?
It's hood ready.
CarPlay?
It looks like a single den, doesn't it?
It does.
You could put a double den in there, man. You could throw CarPlay in here for sure. This could be a commuter for somebody. Here is
Gancito.
Gansito. What is that? Is that like bathroom cleaner or
that-
some shit?
No, it's like Mexican Twinkies.
Oh. 2000
Like a
Chevy
duck on
Silverado, 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500 regular cab long bed, $6,500 3 weeks ago in Alvarado, Texas, 198.5 trades is the entire description.
This guy fucking loves Mexican Twinkies.
Damn, and Donald.
And look at that thug one.
He's skating, and then
Is this the what was the meme?
Hell
This
yeah.
isn't the Tequacha meme. This is
this is like AI generated art just stapled onto the door, like on both sides.
Hell yeah.
Word. Look at the 454 SS badging on the back.
Yeah.
Cringe.
And look on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's a hell of a donk on stock wheels. Oh,
You could fit other wheels under there.
Here it
Oh,
is
yeah.
on some bigger ones, yeah. And back to the stocks. $6,500.
Man likes his snack foods, all right?
It's not worth $6,500.
Can we get that enhanced for that Instagram?
Where do you see it? Oh, right here?
Yeah.
It's Gancito something.
4.3,
4.3 _4.3.
5.3?
5.3 maybe for the engine.
Yeah, probably 5.3.
Let's find out.
Have time, but no something.
No salsa.
Have time. Have time.
No, he's saying it's been a while since I've been out.
Oh, okay.
It's been a while since this ran.
Oh,
Yeah.
I
basically.
fired up the old beast again today. Took her to the gas station. This is a fucking soon car. Banger.
There's a monster in my closet, Dad.
It looked better before.
Yeah, just
It actually
a
did.
normal truck.
That looks sick.
Yeah, it did.
That might not actually be the same truck. I think he has two.
It had, dude.
No, the
you
headlights
know
are
it
different
is.
too.
That's the same.
No.
You know,
Well, you never see
You
them in
know
the
if-
same.
in the same room.
Yeah,
Look at the
Yeah.
grill, though.
it's fucking. How would you say super hombre?
Superman.
Well, how would you say Superman in Spanish?
Super hombre.
Hombre de super.
I don't know. I think it's Superman.
Oh, you just say it funny.
Yeah.
Batman bin
Yeah, because it's an
Superman.
English thing, right?
Yeah, it's like when Japanese people borrow a word and just, well, you know what they do. Here is a